I got rejected by a VC. This is how it went, and this is what I'm gonna do next. Today is a beautiful day in Düsseldorf, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the city. Ein Viertel Kaffee, bitte.
Yep.
So, I was interviewing with this big global VC. They focus on early stage startup investments. And the first interview went pretty well. We were basically talking about my background, the startup idea, and we chit-chat a little bit. I got the invitation to the second interview right on the spot. So I felt pretty good going into the second interview. The vibe was very casual, and I was having a conversation with a partner. And it was a very lovely conversation, actually. We talked about my background, my startup, what's the future plan, have I gotten any tractions yet, things like this. And I had a pretty good gut feeling about how it went at the end of it. I was optimistic. Waited a couple of days for the final decision, but I didn't get the email by the end of the week. So I was getting a little nervous. And then on Saturday, I got the email saying, hey, we got a lot of applications and you didn't get in. My heart dropped a little bit, just a split second. They didn't provide any feedback or any reasonings to why they didn't accept my application. And I understand, it's fine. I was connected to the partner that I interviewed with. So I dropped her a message saying, hey, thanks for taking the time interviewing me. I would appreciate a little bit of feedback so I can learn from this experience. Of course, I haven't got anything back yet, but it will be really cool to learn what went well and what didn't. I got over it pretty quickly. It's not because that I didn't care. It's just that it's not a good fit. I'm not looking for outside investment at the moment. And usually this type of early stage, first check kind of investments, the terms are pretty brutal because they're betting on you pretty early on. So they're taking on a lot of risk. That's why usually the terms are not very favorable for the founders. And the thing that I'm really not sure about was that they only invest in startups that has multiple co-founders. During the interview process, they made it pretty quite clear. If I got into the residency, the first thing I'll be doing is to find a co-founder. That would be the prerequisite for competing for this investment spots. This is quite a common condition from the VCs. The partner actually told me what they're looking for is the founders and the speed. So they really do care about the speed of execution. 2 co-founders is just faster than 1 founder. On top of that, it's an investment risk to invest in solo founders. That was the main reason why they don't invest in solo founders. I totally don't agree with it, but this is what it is. It feels so good to be back in the gym. Usually this type of stuff really bothers me. Nobody likes rejections, but now I actually enjoy it. I'm not sick. I just want to put all my attention on learning. Wins and losses comes and goes. All I can do is to do my best, and the rest is out of my control. So for me, what changed is that I focus on the experience, I focus on learning, I explore things, I test my assumptions, I try new things, and all these learnings will accumulate. I will get better and better every single day. It's just like training my muscle. This process of constantly putting into work, fail, learn from it, get back up the next day, do the same thing all over again. Just put one foot in front of the other, good things will come. Where do I go from here? The past 3 months, I've been talking non-stop to the creators on YouTube. Oona has gained a lot of interest. Everybody I talk to, they're very interested to try. I've been also running Google Ads in the background as well. So in just 3 months, we had 800 signups already. So the concept works. People want to use Oona. So the next thing is to find the first 100 true fans. What do they look like? They're not only willing to pay for Oona, but they're happy to talk about it. They will be the kind of customers that everybody wants. They use the product regularly and they're excited to recommend it to their friends, their families, their moms, their dads. So whatever I'm doing right now, I will continue doing them. I'll keep talking to the creators, be where they are, and create as much content as I can. I'm also having a lot of fun doing this, so win-win. But the most important thing right now is to create the best customer experience in oona. Starting from getting them to know about oona, to their first experience, create meaningful touch point to lead them all the way to become regular, avid monthly users. So there are a lot of product updates coming up, a lot of work ahead of me, but I just want to create a very meaningful product and community that care about content creation and the power of testing. And these people are out there. I met a few of them. I want to continue bringing creators on board and just have the best A/B testing experience. I'm flying to San Francisco the first thing in the morning tomorrow to go to the buildspace IRL event. So a lot of things to do. There are some product updates I need to do, and of course filming this video. So all right, I gotta go home and start packing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.